You've seen succulents, but not like this. These 28 vine-like varieties climb, trail, twist, and even bloom in the dark. They're wild, low maintenance, and nothing like the usual. Let's dive into the most stunning succulent vines you never knew you needed. Queen of the Night. This mysterious succulent is known for doing something magical, blooming just once a year and only at night. Its large white flowers and long trailing stems make it a prized plant for collectors who love a bit of drama. Donkey's Tail. Known for its thick, overlapping leaves that spiral like a braid, this classic hanging succulent is one of the most loved trailing plants for a reason. It looks stunning and thrives with minimal care. Roundleaf Peperomia. This delicate beauty grows small, glossy, teardrop-shaped leaves on soft green vines. It also produces tiny orange flowers that add a subtle pop of color. Rat-tailed Crassula. Also known as watch chain, its densely packed leaves grow in a moss-like pattern on long stems. It's perfect for trailing over shelves or pots, adding texture and softness. Elephant Bush. This succulent has thick, fleshy leaves growing on reddish-brown vines. It grows fast and looks great both hanging or trailed around a small trellis. String of Dolphins. This fan favorite has vine-like stems with leaves shaped exactly like tiny jumping dolphins. It's playful, beautiful, and thrives in bright, indirect light. String of Hearts. Known for its cascading vines of heart-shaped leaves in green, purple, and pink, this romantic plant can soften any space it hangs in. Calico Kitten. With its bright mix of green and purple leaves, this succulent adds a splash of color and drama. For the boldest hues, keep it where it gets good light. Christmas Cactus. This festive favorite grows flat, segmented stems that hang elegantly and burst into pink or white blooms around the holidays. Fishbone Cactus. Its zigzag leaves grow in flowing vines that resemble the shape of a fish skeleton. It adds movement and a bit of wildness to any plant collection. Jelly Bean Plant. These bright green and red bean-shaped leaves grow on flexible stems that look almost edible. A total standout in any hanging display. String of Pearls. Tiny bead-like leaves trail down like strands of jewelry. It's a delicate but striking plant that thrives in a sunny window. Mistletoe Cactus. This tropical succulent has chaotic but charming vines of light green stems. It's best grown in a hanging pot where its wild form can shine. String of Nickels. With small round leaves growing along trailing stems, this plant truly lives up to its name. It's a unique addition to your indoor greenery. String of Bananas. The banana-shaped leaves give this plant a fun and unusual look. It grows fast, making it perfect if you want quick results in your plant decor. Jade Necklace. Clusters of small, rounded green leaves form neat little rings along the stems, creating the look of a leafy beaded necklace. Monkey's Tail. This eye-catching cactus has long trailing stems covered in soft white hair, almost like a furry tail. It even blooms with vibrant pink flowers. October Daphne. Its circular bluish-green leaves spiral down the stem, creating a perfect trailing pattern. It flowers with beautiful pink and white blooms in the fall. Rat-tail Cactus. The thick, rope-like green stems are lined with small spines and grow impressively long. It's a classic for hanging containers. Ruby Necklace. Bright purple vines and bean-like leaves make this plant a striking focal point. When it flowers, expect tiny yellow blooms to add contrast. Silver Dollar Vine. Big round leaves grow in an alternate pattern along stiff vines. It's great for vertical spaces and adds a contemporary look. Peanut Cactus. Its long segmented stems resemble peanuts and are covered in soft spines. Bright pink and orange blooms add extra beauty. Starfish Flower. This unusual plant features star-shaped flowers in a velvety pink-purple hue. Its vine-like growth makes it a statement piece. Wax Ivy. With glossy ivy-shaped leaves and a fast-growing habit, this succulent climber loves the morning sun and brings a vibrant green shine indoors. The Bottle Cactus. Also called dancing bones, this succulent grows quirky tube-like stems that form a shrubby vine-like mass. Perfect for those who love unusual shapes in their plant collection. Cliff Cotyledon. With soft, freshy gray-green leaves and vibrant bell-shaped blooms in red and orange, this plant spills beautifully from hanging baskets. Its trailing vines are thick and lush, giving your garden a fuller look. Rice Cactus. Don't let the name fool you. This trailing plant is all about texture. Its beady stems resemble clusters of tiny grains that dangle gracefully, making it a perfect choice for adding interest to any dull corner. String of buttons. This quirky plant grows stacked triangle-shaped leaves on long stems, looking like a line of buttons stitched together. It's a great conversation starter and looks amazing in a hanging basket. Succulents don't have to be stiff little plants in tiny pots. Some of the most jaw-dropping varieties trail, climb, and cascade. If you found a new favorite today, hit that like button. And if you want more rare, weird, and wonderful plant content, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.